How to install an eSIM on iPhone. First of all, you have to ensure compatibility, confirm your phone model support eSIM and it is unlocked. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection during the installation process. Now let's start it. You will receive a universal link from your eSIM carrier. Click on the link to initiate the installation. The link contains all necessary information for setting up your eSIM automatically. Now open your camera and make sure you scan the QR code. Once you do this, also just go and click on cellular, then click on add eSIM. Now use a QR code. So this is a second method here. Now once you scan the QR code, automatically it will identify. Right now go and click on open photos and the QR code which you just took an image, make sure you enter it up, and after that automatically it will find information micro eSIM email here. Add eSIM, tap enter details manually, which you have to do this, enter corresponding activation code which you will receive, right, and then it's done. So this is how you can install an eSIM on iPhone. Thanks for watching.